Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to easily fix any wired headphones when one or both sides stop working. The first task is to find exactly where the cable is broken. Try moving the wire at several different spots while listening for the sound to return. This helps you find the specific point where the internal wires are damaged and need to be repaired. Remove the AirPod cushion on the broken side. In my case, the sound returned when I moved the cable near the headphone housing. Unscrew the housing and open it up. Here you can visually see that the cable is broken. Cut the cable at the damaged spot. Next, remove the cable's outer fabric and rubber sleeving. Separate the internal wires by color. You can use a small flame to burn off any protective fabric threads. In this step you must be 100% careful. Connecting even one small wire to the wrong color will prevent the headphones from working properly. Now thin the wires. This improves soldering quality and makes the process much easier. After that, use a multimeter to check from the jack to the ends of the wires if they are reachable and working condition. Next, unsolder the old wires. Be sure to remember the color order, because the new wires must be soldered in the exact same position. Now, tie a knot so the cable doesn't pull out. In this specific model, the manufacturer made a mistake by leaving the cables end free to rotate. I suggest securing the cable with glue instead. This will make the repair last much longer. Close the housing, screw back the screws and put the AirPod back on. As you can see, the cable is now asymmetrical because I cut out the broken section on the cable one side become shorter. Now open the second side just like you did with the first. Pull the cable into the headphone housing until both sides are perfectly symmetrical. Secure the cable in place with a glue so it doesn't pull out. It is very important to secure the cable well. Finally, reassemble the housing, screw it back together, and put back AirPod. And your headphones are fixed. You can't even tell they're being repaired. They look brand new. Good luck!